Welcome to another video in the Learn to Excel series brought to you by Chemical Engineering Life. In this video, we are going to have a look on how you can use the COUNTA function and what it actually means in terms of your data analysis. So if I was to use COUNTA function right here, and I select my data from 3, and let's select it all the way up until 15. Enter. It gives me an output of 10. Now what this 10 means is that I have in that given data range, I have 10 non-blank cells available for me to analyze. And now what that 10 means is that in that specific range that I have selected, there are 10 non-blank cells, or I have 10 variables in that range. And the benefit of a COUNTA function is that it counts everything. It counts both the numerical and the non-numerical inputs in a given data range. So for example, if I was to replace this by 25, 30, or 35, or if I was to write something completely illogical, Excel still counts that as one of my inputs. And as I start to increase my dataset, it will also increase in the counting. And hence the COUNTA function comes in very handy if you are trying to figure out how big of a dataset you have or how many rows you have in a data column, and then you can do so using COUNTA. Uh, in relation to using only a standalone count function, the simple count function only counts numericals in a dataset, whereas a COUNTA function, the benefit is that you're counting the numericals and the non-numericals. As you can see right here, we are counting the number of strings and we are counting the number of numericals. But of course, if you are specifically looking how many numbers you have in a data range, then you should use a count function. If you are specifically trying to count how many times a specific number or a specific text shows up in your dataset, then you should use a COUNTIF function. And if you would like to learn more about the count functions, then do remember to check out our other videos where we do look into these functions in detail. Well, thank you for watching. And if you would like to learn more about Excel, then visit the website of Chemical Engineering Life at www.ChemEnggLife.com, where you can sign up for online Excel courses ranging everything from basics to the advanced knowledge, which can help you further excel in your career. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.